Hello everyone, and welcome back to Revit Snippets. Great tips you can learn in just a few minutes. Today we look at a problem that people usually have when they work on dependent views a lot in Revit. So let's try to make a dependent view to demonstrate this. If I go now to level 1 floor plan, that's looking okay. Let's make a dependent view from this, and then another one from the same level 1 plan. So I have now two dependent views, 1 and 2, on this parent view here, level 1. If I now go to dependent view 1, I can say only show me this portion of this building in this view. Alright, and similarly for dependent view 2, let's change the boundary to show the other portion of the building. That will do for now. So let's try to put something annotative to the parent view. Let's say I want to put in here a revision cloud from revision cloud, and let's say I want to have it cover this whole upper portion of the building. Looking good? So my expectation is this: because this is the annotation element in my parent view, I should be able to see it in my dependent view as well. But is that the case? Let's see it for ourselves. We go to dependent view 1 now. And I don't really see it. What's happening? Well, this is why. If I go to the dependent view again, this annotation object actually is extending beyond the boundary of the first dependent view. So the boundary is from there to here, but the region for the cloud is going beyond that. It's extending way above to the right to there, and that's why it's not showing. If I try to edit this cloud and make it a bit more narrow, maybe move this edge to there. Let's check our dependent views again. Now the cloud is showing, just as we expected. Well, that leaves some of you wondering, I guess, because I mentioned something about the annotation element cannot extend beyond the boundary of the view for it to show up. But here, isn't that what it's doing now on the right and at the bottom? Well, that's true, and that's because something else is also in play here. Something else making it still visible. If you select this boundary there are two boundaries in play at the moment. The internal boundary for cropping model elements and the outer boundary for cropping annotation elements. If I take this edge of the second boundary maybe to there, nothing happens yet, but go just a bit more further inside, and you don't see the cloud anymore. It's now extending beyond its limit. If I want to see it, I will need to extend this annotation crop again. So that also explains the same problem happening to text nodes, and actually I think that's a more recurring problem you will have. So let's say I want to place in here a very long text note, maybe to say hello, and because I want to make this very long, let's make a copy of this a few times. So let's place it here and see what happens in our dependent view. Let's go to view 1, and you don't see it. But if you extend this further this way, now it's showing again. So the choice is yours really. Either extend the boundary or make this text a bit narrower or inside the view more so you can see it. Okay, so that's a trick for today. I hope that was useful for you. Have a try for yourself, see how it works, and I'll see you in our next video.